How to fix Instagram followers stuck. Hello guys, in this short video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram followers stuck easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do to fix this problem is very easy. Just open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager right here. Now here go to the apps like this and then go to Instagram, and after that right here on this page all what you have to do now is very simple. Just go to the open by default option, go to open supported links in the app, make sure that this option is on always allow, go back again. Now all what you have to do is click on this force stop option and then go to the storage. Now here you will find the storage total number, click on clear data and go back again. Now click here on app details, it will take you directly to the Play Store. So all what you have to do here is click on update and it will start updating your Instagram. And that's it guys, don't forget to like, subscribe.